With Russia's armored vehicles and tanks do have some design flaws, having the risk of detonating the ammunition inside if the vehicle gets struck, taking everything out in one swoop. It does however offer protection against blast fragmentation, which is one of the most common and area-covering warheads used in the conflict, with Russian motorcycle offering no protection against this threat. This Russian motorcycle took it a bit further, traveling with a fuel tank, making it extra risky as seen, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.